What's up guys, it's Christina, and today I'm going to show you what's in a 12-year-old's makeup bag, and tomorrow I'll do like a makeup tutorial type video. So yeah, let's get onto the bag. So I keep all of my makeup in this cute Ipsy bag that I got at a thrift store for like $2. And it's very cute and sparkly and blue, I love it so much. So first, for eyeshadows, I have this LA Colors palette. It's white, green, beige, blue, brown, dark brown, and it's very, very pretty on my eyes. I love it so much. I use that like a tiny bit because it's very, very vibrant. And then it looks like you're wearing makeup, and I kind of want it to be natural, just like to enhance my eyes. Next, I have this Rimmel London white powder, which I also use as like a little bit of highlighter on my cheekbones. I don't use a lot. I'm sad because this tests on animals. Next time I look at makeup, I'm going to make sure I don't get animal tested products. So I feel really bad when I use this, but life's life, I guess. I don't know what to say. Next, I have this very pretty like green, teal, white, blue color. It's by that brand, I'm not really sure. And it's very, very, very pretty. I love it. I searched this up, and it's not tested on animals, so I'm very happy. Everything else not tested on animals, so it was just that one product. So, next is a Sally Girl. It's like this blue, green, and beige color. I haven't used this yet, but someday I will. It's eyeshadow, by the way. Then I have this LA Colors blush. If I can open it. How do you open it? Well, I was going to show you. Oh, okay. It's very, very sparkly, so you only use a tiny bit, but it's very pretty. Next, I have this Wet n Wild. If I can open it. This like peachy silver shiny color. I don't really know what to call these. It doesn't really say what. Oh yes, it does. It is called Breeze, whatever. It's really cute. I haven't used some of these makeups yet, so if they look new, they are. They're fresh. Hashtag fresh. Then I have this LA Colors one. This doesn't have sparkles, and it's more of like a simple nude. I like the smell of it. It smells so good. If you can smell it, oh my gosh. It kind of smells like cookie dough, like sugar cookie dough. I'm so in love with it. I haven't used it yet, but I will. It smells so good. I'm probably going to eat it. Probably not safe. Then I have this LA Colors Auto Eyeliner. I don't really use eyeliner, but if I ever want to do a wing and I'm feeling a little spicy, got this bad boy. Then I have Wet n Wild Mega Wear Mascara. On the container that I got it in, it says it's like, it helps your eyelashes stay bold and vibrant and stuff. So yeah. And then I have my handy dandy eyeshadow brush. I usually use the little thingy applicators they come with to get it on my face. I know these don't work that well, so I don't use them. Like, I just use them to get the powder on my face, and then I use this one to like spread it and then like blend it and stuff. So yeah. Last thing I have were some makeup wipes. You always need these. Like, I love you. I can just like kiss you so much. So yeah, always need these. And yeah, that is my makeup bag. So tomorrow I will show you my makeup tutorial. See you then. Quick disclaimer, I just wanted to say this. Like, I know a lot of people say this, but makeup isn't meant to cover up your face, like to make you feel beautiful. You're beautiful the way you are. And like some people wear to like cover up pimples and stuff. I don't have them yet, but and sometimes it gives them like a boost of self-confidence, but you don't need it to be beautiful. So yeah, I personally use it because like I like doing the art and stuff. It's fun. And so yeah, you don't need like foundation and stuff. That's gross. When you're 12, you don't even need anything. But like if you want to, all you really need is mascara, lipstick, a little bit of blush, maybe some eyeshadow. So yeah, see you tomorrow.